still too vicious. Hit the block and bang.
Hey YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? What's down with y'all? Hey, I am your dude, Ice Dude, right? I need y'all to help me figure something out, man. I got super fucking drunk the other day, man. I wound up passing out. I can just remember little things, you know what I'm saying? And somebody broke into my fucking crib, you know what I'm saying? I just remember little things, like I remember some big ass dude, you know what I'm saying, with a gray jacket on, like just storming through my crib. But man, I think I got it on tape, man. I want y'all to check this out real quick. Check this out, y'all see what y'all think, man. Fucking. Give me my piece of you bitch ass rat. There you go. Oh, hell no. Was that the big gray dude I seen with the jacket on? Oh, and I ate pizza behind that motherfucker?
Like a nigga doing dishes. And I'ma work it to the bone. And I'ma work it to the bone.